Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 13T and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to almost very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all languages from which we can choose. So fortunately in this device it is not really that complicated to change the language. Here we've got English marked, and all we have to do is to find the language and tap on it. So let me pick French, and as you can see, immediately the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on English, and basically it is immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.